Hello children, so it's again a new chapter today. The name of the chapter is Mighty Mountains, and it's in page number 19, 1919. So please open page number 19 and have a pencil in your hand. It's about mighty mountains. That means throughout the world there are lots of mountains. You all must know. You all must have heard about mountains. So there are lots of mountains. So we'll be seeing how many we remember, how many names we know, and there are 10 questions given. That means 10 clues are given. From there we have to guess which mountain it is, and the clues you need to remember accordingly. In the exam also the clues will be given. You have to guess the name of the mountain. So how well do you know the mountains of the world? Throughout the world there are many mountains, so you all at least know about your mountains in the world. How many mountains are there, how many types of, how many different mountains, famous mountains are there. So remember these. So first one is, in which country will you find the twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat? So there is a twin peak. That means two mountains side by side together. It is there present in a country where you find this twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat. It's the country name is Turkey. In Turkey you will find it. So write with pencil. I have done for you all the answers. Just write with pencil. Just know that in Turkey, the twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat is found. Second one is, which is the highest mountain peak in Africa? So in Africa, which is the highest mountain peak? It is Mount Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is, it's a very famous mountain, and it's the highest mountain peak in Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro. Third one, which mountain range forms a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe? Between Italy and Switzerland there is a boundary. Which mountain forms a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe? There is a boundary. The name of the mountain is the Alps. You must have heard about the Alps. The Alps is the boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe. Fourth one is, name the longest mountain range on land in the world. It is Andes. It is the longest mountain range. Range means, no, you know, all there are many mountains together attached to side by side. They are called mountain range, and when the longest mountain range means there are the most mountains together attached, that is Andes. Andes is the longest mountain range on land. Fifth one is, which two countries of the world are connected by the Khyber Pass? It is the country names are Pakistan and Afghanistan. These two are connected by Khyber Pass. Khyber Pass is a small area where it connects two countries of the world. Okay. Sixth one is, name the range that divides the Antarctic region into eastern and the western Antarctica. There is a small portion of land that ranges actually has a mountain in it, which is dividing the Antarctic region into the eastern and the western Antarctica. Okay, the mountain name is Transantarctic Mountains. Transantarctic Mountains. So obviously in the name of the mountain only it means everything, that it is dividing Antarctica so into eastern region and the western region. So it is Transantarctic. Mountains. Seventh one is, which mountain range acts as a natural border between France and Spain? Between France and Spain there is a natural border. The name of that mountain range is the Pyrenees. The Pyrenees is the mountain range which acts as a natural border or boundary between France and Spain. So it is dividing France and Spain, the natural boundary or the border. It is and it is a mountain range. That means many mountains together attached together. The name of that mountain range is the Pyrenees. Check the spelling and write. I have done for you all. Please check and write. Eighth one is, name the highest mountain in Japan that is also an active volcano. That is also an active volcano means it a volcano or the eruption of the heat occurs over here. It is the highest mountain in Japan. In Japan this is the highest mountain, Mount Fuji. It is Mount Fuji. This is the highest mountain in Japan. That is also an active volcano, Mount Fuji. Ninth one, which mountain range marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe? This is also very important. The mountain range that marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe, the two continents, it is marking the boundary. Which is it? It is the Urals. Urals is very important. Just remember the mountain range. That means there are many mountains which are attached together, and that mountain range is dividing Asia and Europe, which is known as Urals. 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 10th one is, in which range is K2, the second highest mountain in the world located? There is a range. The name of the range is Karakoram range. In the range, that means there are lots of mountains attached together. In that range, there is one highest mountain, and second highest mountain is K2, and second highest mountain of the world is occurred over here in the range, mountain range K2. The location is Karakoram range. The location is Karakoram range. Okay, K2 is the second highest mountain, and it is located in the Karakoram range. That means number of mountains attached together. So all these 10, I want each one of you to remember the clues and the names given according to the question which are given over here. Similarly, it will be coming in your exam. One line like, name the longest mountain range on the land in the world. It might be coming like this. Only the answer you need to write. Okay, all these 10 are important. Please write the correct spelling in your books and send it to me. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.